Welcome back to another video of theory of computation. In this video, we are going to solve another theory of computation multiple choice question. So let's start. So our question is, if P, Q and R are three languages, if P and R are regular and if PQ equals to R, then option A, Q has to be a regular, option B, Q cannot be a regular, option C, Q needs to be a regular, and option D, Q has to be CFL, that is context free language. So let's find out the correct option. Option number A, Q has to be regular. This statement is not necessarily true. While it's possible for Q to be regular in some cases, it's not a guarantee. Regular languages are closed under concatenation. Option B, Q cannot be regular. This statement is also not necessarily true. There is no restrictions on Q that would prevent it from being regular. It's possible for Q to be regular if P and R are regular and PQ equals to R. Option number C is Q needs to be regular. This statement is incorrect. While it's possible for Q to be regular in some cases, it's not a requirement. There's no inherent need for Q to be regular just because P and R are regular and PQ equals to R. And our last option, that is D, which says Q has to be a CFL, context-free language. This statement is also not necessarily true. While it's true that if P and R are regular, then PQ equals to R, then Q is context-free language. It doesn't mean that Q has to be a CFL. There are cases where Q could be regular language, a CFL, or even a non-context free language as well. So at last, we can say that none of the provided options are entirely accurate. The correct answer would be that there is no definite conclusion about the regularity of the class of language Q. It could be regular, CFL, or even non-context free depending on the specific language of P, Q, and R. So thank you so much for joining in this video. We will meet soon again in some another question.